My buddy Mike made it back all the way from Tacoma, Washington.
Yeah.
How tough was it to load them? That's what I want to know.
They were almost impossible.
There's a lot of good DNA on this car, a lot of good stuff that you know every day.
As I was loading it up, I was thinking the same exact thing.
There's just so much stuff and so much reference material. So at the very least, it has that to offer. But again, I think until... Thing is charger shells are hard. That's first generation, second generation Charger 6870. That's a hard car to come up with. You can go on eBay and they're selling those things for 10 grand, and all you get, everything shipped to you in a flat rate box, right? There's nothing there. So I don't think it's bad. I want to get it cleaned up as best you can, inside and out. If you can get the doors to open on it, and let's do an inventory sheet on it, and then we'll put these in inventory. And we don't know until it gets cleaned up if they are plausible to restore. Somebody may want to order a Daytona, tribute car someday,
That's what
just
we're
like
doing.
the Superbird.
Yeah.
So. Yep, there it is.
Bumper
And
fell off on the way
he
home.
stole the taillights out of it. That's cool.
Yep. And the bumper fell out.
Oh, the bumper literally fell off.
Right.
Okay. So it was. I'm assuming it was being held in place by the license plate wiring.
Right.
The taillight wiring and the license plate wiring. Isn't that a pretty color though? B7.
Yeah, I'm sure. Like one time it was gorgeous.
You could put some pieces in that deck lid and save it.
Like another lid?
No, yeah. Get them cleaned up. Let me know when everything's cleaned. I don't want any dirt out here on my parking lot. You know how I am. So once they're cleaned up, I want you to sweep it down and then put everything where. Get Adam to help you.
I'll let you know when it's done.
Tell Adam to paint the building next door and he'll immediately start cleaning the cars.
Not a bad idea, I suppose.
Bang! Tell anything's wrong with them, really, once you see them out here like this.
Right, yeah. Once you try picking it up.
Rear window defroster, look at that. Big money there, big money. Probably no good anymore. Well, the bezel is, and the duct is plastic, so that's probably all good. That could be rebuilt.
Civic, we said I didn't have it built.
And it had a window in it, right?
Yep, we still have it.
So it's possible. No extra charge for the plastic filler. This is the way they used to do it in the olden days. That there's what they call Bondo, plastic filler. That's right. So it got a steering column, 68, 69 floor shift. What would be the difference between a 70? Why wouldn't a 70 work?
Where are the keys located?
There you go.
Yep.
Went from the dash up to the steering column. Good job, Mickey. All the original hardware looks like it's still pretty much in place. This apron's wasted. Frame rails are all wasted. Engine's probably no good for much more than whatever bolts we can get off of it. Power steering gear core with the return valve still in good shape on it. Those are usually snapped off. Most of the front end's wasted. The headlight doors may have some use to them, maybe some intricate parts. The vacuum motor's still in there. Yeah, all the stuff's still in there. Yeah, pretty sad old life this one had.